Hi there. Today we are going to read one of my favorite books. And here's the character Minnie. She has a big bowl of spaghetti. What do you think this book might be about? The title of the book is More Spaghetti, I Say. So if you think the book is about spaghetti, you are right. This book was written by Rita Golden Gelman and illustrated by Mort Gerber. As we read the book today, I will model language on the accent device with the Unity 84 sequence software. I will model a lot of words and phrases, but I will focus on pronoun-verb phrases. These are 2- and 3-word phrases that you can say with just 2 hits, so you can talk a lot faster when you use these phrases. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. More spaghetti, I say. Play with me, Minnie. Play with me, please. We can stand on our heads. We can hang by our knees.
Play with me. Play with me.
Play with me. Oh no, I can't play. I can't play with you, Freddie.
I can't play. I can't play.
I can't play. Here's Minnie. What's she doing? She says, not now. Can't you see? I am eating spaghetti.
I am eating spaghetti. I am eating spaghetti.
I am eating spaghetti. Oh, her bowl's empty. What's Freddie gonna say? Now you can do it. Now you can play. We can jump on the bed for the rest of the day.
Now you can play. Now you can play.
Now you can play. No, I cannot. I cannot jump and play.
I can not. I cannot.
I cannot. Can't you see? I need more. More spaghetti, I say.
She needs more. She needs more.
She needs more. Look at all of the spaghetti that she's making. I love it. I love it. I love it. I do.
I love it. I love it.
I love it. I love it so much. Freddie asks, more than me? Minnie says, more than you. I love it on pancakes with ice cream and ham, with pickles and cookies, bananas and jam. I love it with mustard and marshmallow stuff. I eat it all day. I just can't get enough.
I can't get enough. I can't get enough.
And he said, I can't get enough. I eat it on trucks and I eat it in trees. Freddie says, you eat it too much. Won't you play with me, please?
Play with me. Please. Play with me, please.
Play with me, please. I can run in spaghetti and ride in spaghetti. I can jump, I can slide, I can hide in spaghetti. I can skate on spaghetti and ski on spaghetti. Minnie says,
I can.
I can on
spaghetti.
spaghetti. And look at this picture. That's me on spaghetti. She said,
Look.
look.
That's me. Look, that's me.
That's me on spaghetti. Oh, look at Freddie. He's looking upset. He's not happy. Spaghetti, spaghetti, that's all you can say. I am going to throw your spaghetti away. I am going to throw it all over the bed, in the air, on your chair, on the floor, on your head. Freddie said,
I'm going to throw it. I'm going to throw it.
I'm going to throw it. Uh-oh, look at Minnie. Oh, Minnie, that look on your face. You look bad. You look big. You look green. You look sick. You look sad.
You look bad. You look bad.
Minnie looks like she's feeling pretty bad. You are right. I am green. I feel sick. Yes, I do. I think I will rest. I will sit here with you.
I will sit. I will sit.
I will sit. Let me take this away now. I think that I should. And then we can play. He's tasting it. He says, mmm, spaghetti is good.
Good.
Good. He thinks it's good. I love it. I love it. I love it. I do.
I love it. I love it.
Freddie said, I love it. I need more spaghetti. I can't play with you.
I can't play.
I can't play. But now I can play. I can play with you, Freddie.
I can play. I can play.
Freddie says, not now. Can't you see? I am eating spaghetti.
I am eating spaghetti. I am eating spaghetti.
It looks like he likes it a lot, doesn't it? Did you like this book as much as I do? I hope you had fun with it. Be sure to check out the other video on the Minspeak channel where we make a spaghetti and meatball dessert imposter. It's a lot of fun. Have a great day.